What's up guys, it's Parker. Today's gonna be an awesome day. Finally got the boost leak sorted out in the M5. That's why you haven't been seeing it. It's running great. We're gonna take it to the track, M1 Concours in Pontiac, Michigan, and we're gonna do some laps. Get some benchmark times, and hopefully we can compare those times to cars we review in the future when we work on a partnership with M1 to hopefully do something like what Motor Trend does with Willow Springs. Let's hit the road. All right, we're at the track with the supercharged M5. Now, a lot of you have been wondering why I haven't had this on my channel a lot recently, and that's because it was suffering from a lot of boost leaks. The supercharger was installed a little bit incorrectly, but we got that fixed, and now it runs really, really well. Now we've got the supercharger aligned properly. So this intake is actually at an angle downwards, and that provides some clearance here so it's not hitting on the side. And now these are actually installed properly. I don't know how you possibly tighten these down incorrectly, but they were done so in a way that this would pop off, it would disconnect here as well, and then obviously you would not get a lot of compressed air. I don't have the best tires on it. I've actually got all season tires from when I tried to daily drive this in the winter time, so probably gonna burn through that rubber and then put some Pilot Super Sports on it. I'm excited to see how she performs. Let's go do some laps around the track. Getting ready to go out on the track. Check brake lights, classic. No warning lights, nope. No check engine lights though. All right, we're ready to go. I got a helmet. We're gonna do some lead follow stuff. I think with the Charger Hellcat out in front of me, gonna be a 458 on the track and also a Lotus Exige. So I am the slowest by far. I also have the least experience on this track. But we'll see. I'm sure regardless, it'll be a lot of fun. Doing a recon lap. Practice.
We've got the orange cones set up for turn in, green cones set up for apex, and yellow cones where indicated are for your track out using all of the road.
This is a slow turn.
Good warm-up lap allows us to get the rear diff oil up to the temperature, the engine oil and everything warmed up very evenly.
Now this guy driving the Hellcat, Aaron Bombach, is an incredible driver. So it's pretty cool to be out here behind him. This guy set some really fast lap times on this track in a Viper ACR. This is awesome instruction.
About the middle of the track, braking down the hill into 90 degree, nice and tight to that apex.
Not a whole lot of grip on these tires, but that's all right. This camera's a little bit in my way, so if you see me looking around, peering around, that's why. This turn is hard. Very, very tight. Little tire squeal there, straight away. Car's fun out on the track, that's for sure. Definitely gonna have to go into second on this tight hairpin. Stay out wide. Hit the double cones, turn in sharp. Hit about 100 on the straightaway. It's about 120 on the ACR, although it has a ton of downforce, so it's not super good at high speed. He said he could hit 130 in a 488. Alright, just doing a cool down lap. Let the car breathe. It's probably hurting a little bit. I've got stock brakes on this thing, so list of upgrades if I were to do them to make this car a little bit more track ready. Get some coilovers. The suspension is 16 years old, 15 years old at this point, so it's a little tired. The brakes, get some Stop Tech brakes, something like that. But overall, I mean, for what was a family sedan in 2001, it also had some great performance to it. This is awesome. All right, session 2, going out with the Lotus. This will be interesting. By a 900 horsepower GTR just then. Oh, these tires are not good. Well, first time out tracking the M5. I think it did pretty well. Let's shut it off. Here's the Hellcat I was following. Looks like he's giving a ride along. Let someone know how to hit the turns. It's very helpful over the radio. There's some cool cars out here today. 458 Italia. Now we've got a guy with a lot of experience in a Lotus Exige. This is probably a great car for this track. And that is how you lap the track in a Hellcat Charger, completely sideways. Wow, that was an epic day out at the track. Car performed well. It is 98 degrees though, so it's hotter than hell. Obviously the car is suffering a bit from some heat soak. Gonna go pick up the Huracan and drop it off. The car is being shipped to California. Gonna do fuel run, Monterey Car Week in the Huracan. Talk to you soon. All right, out in the Huracan for one last time before I ship it off to California. I'm dropping it off at my buddy's dealership and then bye-bye. Marion's following me in the Mercedes. Haven't driven this car today yet. She is cold as can be. Marion's driving my car. Watching Marion drive my car is a terrifying but pretty cool feeling. Goodbye Huracan until Monterey Car Week. Dropped off the Huracan. Dropped off my girlfriend. Now we're taking the S-Class to my buddy's house who has an Audi RS7. You've seen it in videos and pictures on Instagram, but now we're going to review it. So I'm really excited. I haven't driven the car yet. Eddie has, and he says it's fantastic. So gonna head over there, take some beauty shots of the car, and take it around the block. There she blows. The RS7 for the review. I'm waiting on Eddie right now. He's getting off from work at Ford. Then we'll take it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. We're gonna end the day and start our RS7 review in this barren, what is it, factory parking lot land. This is an awesome new filming location we found. See you next video.